It's camera o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We've got a new camera for the channel. Now, I made the conscious decision 2 years ago to move from a Panasonic S5 with fantastic sound, but the autofocus was terrible. Whenever I put a beer up to the autofocus, now this camera cost me a fortune. The sound was great, the picture was poor. Whenever I did this, it would never focus. So I made the conscious decision 2 years ago to buy an iPhone. I think I got a 12 or a 13. I can't quite remember. It's the 2-year-old iPhone. I think it's an iPhone 13. Picture quality, absolutely fantastic. Not so much the sound. Whenever I go out and about, and I've been hearing you, of course, whenever I go and do these kind of like breweries and bars and pubs and GBBF and Great British Beer Festivals and everything else, you guys are like, the picture's okay, but the sound is terrible. So I'm hoping to fix all of that going forward. So I picked myself up a brand new GoPro. Now I think this is the Hero 12. It's the one where you can stick your 3.5 screw in the bottom and have a normal, because it'll be sitting on the tripod most of the time. Front facing camera on it so I can see what I'm doing. I'm currently looking at my iPhone through a glass window and all I can see is a little bit of a reflection and I can see that I'm in the picture. So, but more importantly, well, we've also got a SanDisk Extreme MicroSDXC card, 512 gig. That wasn't cheap, that was like 40 quid. And I bought a used, but quite new, from Amazon, Media Mod. Now this is the most important thing. This is probably going to be the major upgrade. You may not see much of an upgrade with the GoPro. It might be minute versus the iPhone 13. But this is going to be the major thing. Let's get this out first. Now, I've never had one of these before, so you're going to watch me fumbling around a little bit. Fumbling around in the dark. So there it is, that's what I'm looking forward to. See it right there, there's a microphone, an external microphone, and that's going to pick up all of my sound. Now, I think this... Again, excuse my slight fumble, but that goes on there like that somehow. Might go on the, I think it actually goes on the back. Ah, there we go, there we go, there we go. Then we have this thing. So the media mods, normally they're like 79 to 80 pounds brand new. This, I think I paid 70, it was £10 off, used like new. And, you know, if you're like me, you love a bargain, don't you? I love a bargain, I've got to have a bargain, me, so, you know, I always break things. Very conscious of the fact that I'm quite heavy-handed. Right, that... And I don't read instructions either. If you're a follower of the channel, you will know that I don't read instructions. Now it looks like I've got to put the SD card in first. So let's do this. This is probably the worst GoPro video on the whole of YouTube. I can rip, yeah, should we rip it at the bottom? 512. Right, hang on. Molly, will you get me a pair of scissors? Yeah. Quickly. I'm right in the middle of a video. Need a quick... she's cooking tea tonight, which is fantastic. We're having spaghetti carbonara, aren't we, Molly? Yeah. So I'm, you're going now, are you already?
Well, I have to watch the food.
Do you know how to put this computer chip? I think I do. I'll call you if I get into trouble.
Okay.
Thank you for getting me a pair of scissors. Right. Right. Let's get this in, so I think... Should we open up some doors? Oh, God, I've turned it on. No, we don't want to do that. Goodbye. Oh no. Right, let's turn it off. The damn thing won't turn off now. Right, there's a side there for the microchip. Should we stick the microchip in? I'm like from the 1980s, aren't I? Microchips, and they're not called microchips. They're in Iceland, they are. Microchip. Oh no, they're called microwave chips. Anyway, right. I've got the... Oh no, language control. It's all in... Whoa. I don't want it in French, I want it in English. Agree. Terms and conditions. Turn on voice control. Voice control is set up. Install quick GoPro app on the phone for the instructions. Okay, whatever. Camera name. We don't need that. Oh, well, what's going on now? Right. All I want to do is, now it looks like, and this is the part where it gets a bit complicated, isn't it? It looks like I'm going to have to take this door off to get that into there. I'm going to break it, ain't I? I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll go and update the camera. I'll work out how to take the door off. And I'll be back with showing you it first, and then we'll do a little bit of footage. Back in a moment. Hang on, I kind of just opened page 1 and it says on here, I've literally been like 30 seconds. It just says to pull it off. So I was thinking, I remember I had a GoPro 6 and right, it just comes off like that. So that then goes that way into there. Pretty sure it does anyway. Oh yeah, look at this. Boom, that goes in there like so. That clips in there like so, and there we go. Look at this. Look at this. I'm really pleased. Microphone, most important upgrade on the channel. Microphone. Okay, we're kind of like all set up now. I do have to go and do this quick thing. But yeah, we've got a new GoPro for the channel. So I'll go away now, upgrade this, and I'll be back when everything's done and I can show you some video. I'm really excited. Okay, so we're recording. I have to do it really quickly. Dinner's served on the table and everybody's going mad. But I have to do it now because it's getting dark out there. And I don't want it to get dark and be a bit of a rubbishy picture. So let's have a look. Let's see if things work. Let's get things up and close and personal. Can't really see because I'm looking at probably a 1-inch little screen there. Let's get a can up as well. And that's where it's probably gonna be, somewhere there. So let's have a look. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy. Look at that. Right, this is it then. GoPro for the future. Cheers, everyone.